It's lunchtime and I'm so hungry. I always hungry, right? Oh Lord, but yeah, for real, I'm hungry, so I just going to make me some vegetables. I feel for veggies today to eat, so I'm just going to make some grilled eggplant. I'm going to cook the pumpkin, and I'm going to saute some cabbage, some cauliflower, some broccoli with some red onion, some garlic, 2 pieces of carrot here, a piece of tomato here, and yeah, that's it for this veggie dish. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the eggplant as a meat. As the meat for the dish. I think this amount is good for me. Yeah. I'm going to wash it.
Wash it?
Yes, baby. Sorry, let mommy wash it. Let mommy wash it.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
With some broccoli?
Yes.
Well, with some broccoli.
Yes, that's broccoli.
Yeah.
And this is what veggie?
A big fancy, Mommy.
This is cauliflower.
A cauliflower.
Yes. So we're making some broccoli and cauliflower. Okay?
It's the flower, Mommy.
Yes, baby.
A flower, Mommy. A flower, Mommy.
Yes, baby. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is just it looks like just a white broccoli.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like that.
It's a sister of broccoli, right?
Yeah.
A
Or you say
broccoli.
twin.
A broccoli.
Because twin have their differences.
Okay.
They still
You cut it, Mommy?
Yes, that amount is good.
Yeah.
Yep. Put this over there also.
What is it, Mommy?
What is what?
A plant?
So what I'm going to do, yes, it's a plant. I'm going to season the eggplant
A plant?
with some complete season.
Complete sentence?
Yes, baby. Just like that. Grab it up. You see, I'm doing it in the basket. And I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to place it on my grill. As you can see, the grill is very hot already. So I'm just going to place it like that on the grill. And I'm going to grill them up.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it now. Look at that, guys. And I'm not using no olive oil, no oil today.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
I think so.
I think so too.
You feel fire, Mommy?
Yes, I'm grilling some eggplant.
Really?
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some water to this pot because I'm not using no form of olive oil, no form of oil, no form of butter today, just water. And what I'm going to do, these are my veggie. I've cut it up, so I have some carrot here, I have some red onion, some cabbage, some garlic, and I'm just going to put them inside the water.
We're going to steam them.
And I'm going to steam them. Over on this side, the eggplant is finished, so I'm just removing them from the grill like that, and I'm going to place them over here. So as you can see, my veggie is steaming down. You see that? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the cauliflower to the pot because the cauliflower take longer to cook than the broccoli. So I'm going to add it now to the pot, and I'm going to leave it to steam inside the veggie. I'm going to add me a little bit of complete season, you know, give it some flavor, and I'm just going to cover it down and leave it steam, do it steam. So as you can see, all my veggies are sauteed in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric to the veggies. I like to go with the flow. I like when I cook in and I say, okay, I think if I put this with this will go good. I like to what you call that word, you see?
Yes.
No,
Experiment.
Yes, experiment on different things. So I just add about half teaspoon of turmeric to the pot, and I'm just going to mix it up like that. What the turmeric going to do, it's going to give it a little bit of color, and it's going to give it flavors also. And now is the time I'm going to add my broccoli to the pot also. Broccoli need to get some flavors, right, from all this goodness inside the pot. The turmeric, the water, the complete season, the thyme, the scallion, the onion, the carrot. They're going to give it a little bit of sweetness. And yeah, I'm just going to leave that to just steam down for like 4 more minutes and it's finished. Okay, so my daughter just asked me, what about the pepper? What about the little kick? So I just grabbed me some red pepper flakes, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit like that. You don't have to make your vegetables boring. And I'm just going to cover it like that. And I have some pumpkin over there boiling away, so I'm just waiting for them to cook. But right about now, my dish is almost finished. Okay, so it's finished now. So I'm going to assemble my dish. Look at that. You see? Okay, very good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to plate me up some of everything. You know, make sure you get everything on your plate. Some carrot, some broccoli. Yeah. Ooh. My God, my God. Yeah. Just like that. And I'm going to get a fork. And I'm going to take my pumpkin just like that. And I'm going to place it there. I'm going to come over on this side now, and I'm going to add my meat. Yeah. So this is my meat, the eggplant. And the eggplant is just salt, earmud salt, complete season. And that's it. No form of oil nor grease. And clean my plate. And let me get me some avocado. I feel for some avocado. So this is a baby one, but you know, still going to do a job. And it's pretty too.
I was in my mind, it was like a moment of truth.
Moment of truth with the avocado, right? Because so many times we buy avocado, and when we come home, it's totally wastes of money, and the supermarket is so far to go back. So I'm just going to add my avocado right on the dish, like so. Yeah, and there you go, guys. My vegetarian dish, vegetarian slash vegan dish. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. Remember to like, to tell a friend, to subscribe, to hit that notification bell, to comment, leave a comment down below, guys, and to tell a friend about us at Shakema at Home. And remember, in everything you do, put God first. Bye, guys.